Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Xbox game bar recording isn't working error 0x82323619 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Xbox game bar recording is not working and you are seeing the error code 0x82323619, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. In this, first what you have to do, you have to just try by uninstalling your unwanted applications from the control panel and clear all temporary and recent files from your C drive. After doing this, you can check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to update your graphic driver. For that, right click on start menu, then click on device manager. In this, here you will find display adapter. Right click on your graphic driver, click on update driver, click on search automatically for the drivers. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. If this option also is not working, then try the third method. Click on start menu, then click on settings. And click on system. Scroll down. Here you will find system component, click on that. In this you will find game bar. Click on this three dot, click on advanced option. After that, scroll down. Here you will find reset. Under reset you will find two options, repair and reset. First try to repair it. If after repairing it is not working, then you have to reset it. After completion of this, restart your PC. After restarting, still you are facing the issue, then try the final method, that is you have to just right click on the start menu, then click on run. In this you have to type ws reset, then click on OK. And your Microsoft will be resetted. After that, you can check, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix Xbox game bar recording isn't working error 0x82323619 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.